Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will talk about growing a very beautiful and colorful flowering plant called Asiatic Lily, also known as Lilium. Asiatic lilies are very popular types of lilies that you can grow from bulbs. They are known for their strong, vibrant colors like red, yellow, orange, pink, white, and even mixed shades. They come in lots of hybrid varieties now with different heights, from tall, medium to short varieties. Asiatic lilies have little to no fragrance. Sometimes they might have a little bit of fragrance, but they make up for it with their bright and bold look. They grow upright, strong, and look excellent in pots as well as garden beds. They're great for cut flowers and they're very easy to grow. If you love bright flowers, low maintenance plants that really stands out, then this flower is perfect for you. Even though they're not very long blooming flowers, but whenever they bloom, they really transform the garden. They look absolutely amazing with all the other plants around them. I was really happy to have them in my garden this season, and these were the star attraction of the garden this year. These prefer cool to mild temperatures, which makes them ideal for Indian winters. In cooler climates, they're great plants to grow in the summertime. They are perennial plants, meaning once you get a bulb, you can grow them for many years. Lilies need lots of sunlight to flower well. They require 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily, so place them in a bright sunny spot to get the best results. They don't do very well in shade. The better sunlight they get, the better they will flower. Asiatic lilies grow from bulbs. This is how the bulbs look like. Get good quality bulbs. You can get them from a nursery or online sellers. I'm taking this 8-inch pot to grow them. You can also use smaller pots if you're just planting one plant. When you're planting them, you can put them up to 6-inch deep. But I did not plant them deep. You can plant them like me if you want. I kept the growing tip above the soil so you can see them. I did this because I don't want them to rot. Planting them deep actually makes the plant more strong and keeps the bulb cool in hot conditions. You can also add soil later on the top to secure them. If you don't want to plant them too deep, then make sure at least your bulbs are 2 inches deep from the top of the soil. For potting media, take a good well-draining garden soil. Add good quality compost to prepare a rich potting media. A good drainage is important so the bulbs don't rot. Slightly acidic soil is ideal for them. You can plant the bulbs in autumn or in spring depending on your location and climate. They take around 60 to 90 days to flower from planting. I planted them in November and I got flowers in January. When you see leafy growth, feed them with a light organic balanced feed like seaweed or compost tea or mustard cake liquid fertilizer. And when you see the buds developing or just before the bud starting to develop, you can add some potassium-based fertilizer to improve the flower quality. And that is it. They don't need heavy feeding. If you have a good potting media, then that will be enough. Water the plants depending on their need. Check the soil. If it's dry, then water them. Avoid overwatering to keep the bulbs safe. When the flowers fade, cut the seed pods. Keep the rest of the stem and let them die back naturally. If you are growing them in a cool climate, you can leave the bulbs in the same pot or in the ground and they will come back next season. But in hot, humid climates, it is better to dig the bulbs out and store them in a cool, dry place. So this is how you can grow Asiatic lilies easily in your garden. They are very beautiful and easy to grow plants. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.